Hello everyone. In continuation with our constraint layout, today we are going to see one another element, right? So that is known as the group, right? So whenever you select any particular view and here you find it, then you will find that group is there, right? So what is the purpose of group basically? What is the use, right? So whenever you want to set the visibility of the multiple views at the same time, right? So whether you want to hide that elements, whether you want to visible that elements, right? So for that purpose, you are going to use this particular group, right? So first of all, how to add the group? So right click, you can just go over here and click on the group. So here you can see whenever the group is there, it is not visible in this particular activity, right? So here you can see when I click on this, so it is not visible. When I click on this, so you can only see that this particular amount of thing is there, right? So you can also change the height and all that, but that is not applicable over here, right? So because this is a logical entity, okay, right? So what I want to do over here that I just want to add these particular elements, right? So into the group. So I just drag and drop that. And when I click on this, so you will see that these are the buttons under the group, right? So here you can just select the particular group and come down to the visibility. Then here you will see that we have a three options: visible, invisible, and gone. We have already discussed in my one of the video, right? But you will get more clear idea over here. So if I set the visibility property to gone, then all the elements are not visible, right? Even they are not taking up the space, right? Whenever I click on the invisible, then you can observe the things, right? So this is the difference between invisible and gone, right? So they are not visible, but they are at the same place. They are at the same place. You can observe the things over here, right? See, okay. So they are take up that particular space, right? And if I make it visible, then all the three elements are visible, right? So if you want to make some kind of animation activity, right, regarding this, right, so you can use this group option, right? And here you will also notice that what is the difference between invisible and gone clear cut, right? So that's it, guys. So you can use the group according to your requirement with the animation or transition, right? Thanks for watching.